Welcome to the Woman-Centered Coaching Blueprint. I am Dr. Claire Zammit, and I want to welcome you to this session today, our second workshop on releasing hidden barriers. So I created this series to share the most valuable, actionable parts of my woman-centered coaching model so that you can step into deeper impact and be thriving in all aspects of your practice, your work, and your life. So in this workshop today, I'm going to show you the radically different approach, and I mean radically different approach to working with women to unlock extraordinary results. And you heard me in the last workshop, it's extraordinary results that is the new standard to be able to succeed, to be able to serve, to be able to thrive. Creating extraordinary results not only fulfills the deeper purpose for which you became a coach or a change maker or leader, you're able to charge a premium for your services. You're able to attract a new steady stream of clients who are those action-taking clients you most want to work with, your renewals, your referrals, all of these things, recognition, opportunities open up. Becoming the go-to expert in your niche or area. This happens when you're able to unlock extraordinary results. So if you're a coach or you're a therapist or you're a practitioner or a change maker or anyone who works with women and you haven't yet been able to get these deeper results, you haven't yet been able to fully thrive in your practice and your work, I'm so happy that you're here. Because it's so frustrating being a brilliant, talented, educated person with so much to offer. And I want to show you how to break through and give up spinning your wheels, being stuck or held back, and being able to get to that next level of impact, to be able to get your clients the results that they deserve and the kind of thriving and success that is reflective of who you are and what you have to offer in the world. In the first workshop, I shared about the results revolution, how even though the coaching industry is booming and set to continue to double and triple in the decade ahead, consumers' expectations have raised dramatically. Good results is no longer good enough. We need to get extraordinary results to be able to succeed. The second big disruption that parallels this results revolution is the rise of women in our time who make up 70% of the audience for coaching. So, these women who are action-taking, growth-oriented women now control $7 trillion in annual spending. And so there's a huge opportunity for anyone who is able to get extraordinary results for women in our time. And so the traditional approaches to coaching, to therapy, to doing transformational work, they no longer work because they no longer directly address women's new challenges and opportunities. And this is what we are going to be covering in this workshop today. We're going to take a deep dive into these inner invisible barriers that are in the way of extraordinary results. I'm going to show you what they are, and I'm going to show you the three-part formula to identify, break through, and create irreversible change when it comes to these barriers with your clients.